Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, I'm going to continue with the last bits of subtopic 4.2 where we are going to learn about percentage yield. So what is percentage yield? Percentage yield is the ratio of the actual yield, which is we will obtain from the experiment, to the theoretical yield, which we obtain from the stoichiometry calculation, multiplied by 100%. And we can derive the formula from this definition where percentage yield equals to actual yield over theoretical yield times 100%. Next one, a bit more information. When you do the derivation of equation, this is what we have. And you have to understand that actual yield is coming from the question. So we do it experimentally. And then theoretical yield is coming from the stoichiometry, where we do the comparison. So yield can be given in many forms, and sometimes you have to understand that yield is referring to the product side. So I bold product side. So maknanya dia refer kepada bahagian produk, yield, apa yang telah terhasil at the end of the reaction. And sometimes yield can be in form of mass, in gram or kilogram, or in form of volume, in mil or liter. So let's try to do example 7, where I have here the combustion of potassium chloride in excess oxygen gives potassium chlorate. So this is my equation. And I want to find out if 10 gram of KCl is used in the reaction. I have to calculate the mass of KClO3 produced. This is my product. And I want to calculate the percentage of KClO3 if the actual yield is 11.850 gram. Okay, what I have here, take out the information. Before that, balance your equation first. So we got the equation, check it, balance or not. So we got 2K, 2K, both sides balance. And then we got 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine. Settle for chlorine, and we got 6 oxygen and 6 oxygen. So settle for the balancing, it's balanced. Now you have to take out your information. You got 10 gram of KCl. So this is the mass. And what you need to find out, the mass for product. And you have to find out the percentage yield of your product. And what is given also the actual yield here. Okay, so let's focus the first question first. The mass of KClO3 produced. So I'm going to do the first thing, information given, mass of KCl, 10 gram. And I have to calculate the mass of KClO3. So what I'm going to do, we have to do the stoichiometry, but stoichiometry mesti dalam terms mole. Yang kita ada adalah mass. So you have to find out the mole for KCl. So I write down my answer to find out the mole of KCl, mass over molar mass. So I will have the value is 0.1340 mole for KCl. Pastikan ada subjek dekat depan. Kalau sekadar tulis tanpa subjek, jawapan awak dikira salah. Okay. Next one, we do the stoichiometry. So I got from the balance equation 2 mole KCl produce 2 mole KClO3. So that is my first line. And then I got 0.1340 mole of KCl. My X here adalah bahagian produk. So rearrange to find out the X. I will have the value same as it is, tapi mole sekarang adalah mole untuk my product. Okay, saya bahagikan supaya awak nampak sambungan daripada jawapan saya dekat sebelah sini, sebelah kanan. I want to find out the mass of KClO3. So I got the mole. So what I'm going to do, the mole times with the molar mass, I will have the mass for KClO3 is 16.4150 gram. So this is my theoretical yield. Why I say that? Because this amount is coming from the moles that we find out from stoichiometry. So itulah kerana kita label 16.4150 sebagai theoretical yield. Okay, let's continue for question B. Where question B, I want to calculate the percentage of KClO3 if the actual yield for KClO3 is 11.850 gram. So keluarkan information. So I got the mass for KCl. And then I want to find out the percentage yield of my product KClO3. And what you can see here from the question B, you are given the value 11.850 gram. So this value is coming from the question is your actual yield because it's given in the question. So if you want to continue how to calculate the percentage yield, you got the theoretical yield from the previous question where 16.4150 gram is from your stoichiometry. So can you do the final answer straight away from this equation? Yes. So just put the value, you got the percentage yield, actual yield is given 11.850 gram divided by theoretical yield 16.4150 gram times with 100%. So your answer is going to be 72.1901%. So this is your final answer. So basically, this is how you want to do and perform the calculation based on the percentage yield. In order to find out the final answer, please take a look carefully the information given from the questions and try to use the formula that you've memorized to find the final answer. And the next one, you have to master the concept of stoichiometry. So for the next video, I'm going to introduce to you the relationship about percentage yield and limiting reactant. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. And thanks for watching. See you. Bye.